Hello, good morning to all our Indians. Uh, we are in this share market since from last 14 years. So we just want to disclose some strategies that can be beneficial to you all. Mainly, if you seeing in option buying and option selling, the probability ratio of winning in option selling is 80%, and in option buying is 30%. Okay. So what will suggest you? Initially, people are having a less capital. They are starting from option buying. They are putting 10,000, 15,000. They are losing it. Again, they are putting 10,000, 15,000. Within a span of 2 years, almost they are losing 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh. So instead of this, we will initially suggest you, instead of going for option buying, if they are going for option selling, definitely their mentality will be very strong because of the probability of winning, that is 80%. So we'll suggest you some strategies, that is intraday strategy. Okay. So what we'll suggest you, early in the morning, some people are going for a job, some people are busy in their business. Okay. So you don't need to sit in front of screen, laptop, computer desk, etc. for a whole day. We'll suggest you go for a intraday straddle. For example, Nifty, Bank Nifty, will initially start from a Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty spot is trading at 35,425. Means the ATM is near to ATM is, that is 35,400. So what will suggest you to sell intraday. Please listen my word carefully. I am telling you purely intraday, because you have to play this strategy whole month. There is 20 trading sessions. Okay, so that is 35,400 is a ATM, that is at the money option. So what you have to do, sell one lot of 35,400 call, and sell one more lot of 35,400 put. Okay, example, these ATMs 35,400 call and put is trading at 316 and 320. Okay, what you have to do, at 9:20 a.m. you have to sell one lot of 35,400 call and one lot of 35,400 put. Okay, you have sold it near about 1,70,000 to 2 lakh margin is required for this strategy. Okay, you have to keep a stop loss of 100% stop loss. Just put a stop loss. For example, you have sold one lot of 35,400 call at the rate of 316. Just put a stop loss of 632 rupees in a system, not in your mind, and put a stop loss in a system, not in your mind. Put a stop loss in a system for 35,400 put. You have sold it at 320, means your 100% stop loss will be 640 rupees. Okay, this work you will finish within a 1 minute maximum. Okay, so you don't need to sit in front of laptop desk. You don't need to see the watch list, what is the profit and loss. Automatically, suppose you are having a accounts with discount brokings, mainly will initially suggest you go for a discount brokings like Upstock, Zerodha, Allies Blue, Angel Broking. Okay, the position will be depends on the broker. It will be square off automatically by the brokerage team. at 3:15 p.m. or 3:25 p.m. It depends. The timings are scale of timings are depends on broker to broker. Okay. If you will follow this strategy whole month, that is 20 trading session, maybe if there is a heavy fluctuation, heavy volatility in the market, maybe sometimes the stop loss gets screwed up. No issue. Don't fear. Means suppose 300 points stop loss, that is 100% is 300 points stop loss as an average. You are getting a loss of 15,000 in a day. No issue. I'm my frank opinion. Honestly, please follow this strategy. As an average, on an investment of 1,70,000 to 2 lakh rupees, you will earn minimum 25,000 to 43,000 profit in a month. It's a not so bad return. It's a very very good return. You are earning 15% to 25% profit return on your investment 1,70,000 to 2 lakh capital required to sell these both option. You can require less margin because of this hedging strategy. It's our experience, it's our valuable experience. We are suggesting you all because initially what happened due to friends reference, you people are referring option buying because of less capital. Due to theta and time decay, it doesn't understand what is happening in a market because of theta and time decay. Suppose you bought an option of 100 rupees. After 2 days, the option will be at 25 rupees. To capture a gap up and gap downs overnight, you people are referring for option buy. But our experience is, please don't go for that. Please follow the option selling strategy, intraday straddle selling strategy we have suggested you. I am sure you will get a return of 100% profit margin. Suppose you have invested 1,70,000 to 2 lakh for this strategy. So definitely minimum 100% means your 1,70,000 to 2 lakh capital will be converted in 4 lakh rupees in spine of in a time period of 1 year. सो दोस्तों, कैसी लगी हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी? अगर आपको अच्छी लगी तो हमारा रिकमेंडेशन इन क्रूड गोल्ड निफ्टी ऑप्शन, बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शन, कमोडिटी कॉल्स, स्टॉक फ्यूचर, इक्विटी कैश, you please follow our crude gold nifty technicals telegram channel. Suggest or refer our telegram channel to lot of your friends because we are recommending low risk high profit calls to all over India through our telegram channel crude gold nifty technicals. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.